Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and right here I have my white sapote, the Vernon variety, and a Suebelle right here that's producing more flowers and fruit again, all the tips. But it's time to start harvesting a lot of the sapote. I took a lot off this branch, and here's one of them right here. And this variety is pretty good. It's really sweet, texture of avocado and pear, most of them have that. But the problem is with the Vernon, there's about maybe 10 more on this tree, is that it doesn't have much flavor. So I'm going to show you what I do with my white sapote right now. Suebelle tastes really good though. This tastes like banana custard. But the Vernon needs a little bit of work. So I'm going to show you what to do with that right now. So if you hear clanking, it's my sister's dog. Her name's Roxy. She looks like the tile, huh? Look, she's trying to be camouflaged. I can't see you, Roxy. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? This stupid guy doesn't even know where I am. And here's her friend, Lulu. Match made in heaven or hell, either one. Okay, so okay, so after you harvest them, I harvested about 6 of them, but some of them are kind of small. After you harvest them, of course, wash them. You can see why they need to be harvested. I barely pushed on it and it really squished it. Peel them after you wash them. Then start mashing them up. I'm going to show you right now what that looks like, because you need to get some of the seeds out of there. There's some seeds that are really large and some that are small. You need to remove them all. I'm going to show you right now what they look like. So you can see the difference between the big seeds and the little seeds. Pretty sure I took all of them out of there. So after you got them all in here, you mash them up. After you mash them up, just add a squeeze of lemon or lime or both. I like to add both because lemon's a little bit more sour and I like it to be a little sour or tart. That's what the seeds look like. See, there's 2 of them. And there's going to be about 2 to 3 to maybe 4 small ones in that one sapote. So that's what they look like up close. And that's exactly how I like it. White sapote pudding with whipped cream and cinnamon on top. I hope all of you learned something. Always grow and eat from your garden, everyone. Happy gardening.